Okay, people, sorry about what's going on here in my school, cause this is gonna be very serious, and you guys do not like it. But right now, this is gonna be story time part 10 from here to there. From Ms. Vasso for myself. So, in PSIS 295, the biggest school that you probably see. So, Ms. Vasso was trying to telling me was no, not telling me, no. What I was saying is that Ms. Vasso likes to get mad at me when we got out of 295 from you elevator from the elevator community, which has a GL, has an elevator with an interesting setup. And then Ms. Vasso was really mad at me and said that then, and I felt really hurt when we got out of 295 and while we were waiting for the school bus. Sorry about that. That's Eric, my friend. Do not worry. But so Ms. Vasso was really mad at me, saying that no, was really mad at me, and I felt really hurt. And then if she tells me that things like never happen, like if things never happen from never really, well, it's not ready for me for an apology from Miss Vasso herself. Like she said to me that she doesn't even owe me an apology, and saying that I will never work to 295 again. I will never, like saying that I never, first she said you will never go to 295. And then somehow likes to talk to myself. Look, I talk to myself. I'm being honest right now. I talk to myself. It doesn't mean you tell me to talk to myself. Sometimes I always do that, and I can't help talking to myself. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. And then what's next? What's it's going to be next? Let's see. And what's even more worse than, well, obviously we have to take the stairs. We have to take the stairs thanks to Ms. Vasso, who likes to get mad at me and I felt really hurt. And then what's even more worse is when we got out of 295 and waiting for the bus, even more worse. Ms. Vasso is going to replace me. And I was like crying. Ms. Vasso, how dare you tell me how dare you replacing me and not going to 295? This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare. Why was she replacing me even though I was wrong? I am not wrong. It's just because I don't know, pulling my hair out and playing with my hair. It's not a possible way. I can do that whatever I want, playing with my hair and pulling my hair. And then something that this is something it's not true. Well, sometimes I always pull my hair and play with my hair, and then I stop that all the time. does not mean you tell me to pull and play my hair. And then I stopped. I will never do that. But really, Miss Vasso, do you have to do this to me? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you that you got mad at me and told me not to go to 295 and replace me? This is just a freaking nightmare. Unbelievable, Miss Vasso. This is just a nightmare. And this is just the reason why I have to do this right now. This is just sickening. And right this moment, then she has to tell this guy who going into 295, and then she has to make me do a handshake and say that you are the best Hamza ever, and you make a lot of fun of it. Guys, are you believing this? If you guys believe in this, let me know in the comments. If you believe me that Ms. Vasso is going to give me a handshake for this one, or if you do not believe me that Ms. Vasso likes to get mad at me and hurt my feelings, so let me know your choices in the comments, okay? But right now, yes, this is just sickening. And it's a nightmare for me. But at least I get to text her my friend on message, and you see what I mean. So hopefully this will change for me. And hopefully, at this point with you. Anyways, and don't tell me to smile too. This is the one reason why that I hate smiling. Anyways, this is it. This is gonna be it. So thank you all so much for tuning in and watching. And I know 4 days away from me. And please make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification. And turn on that bell too, so you do not get notified every time I post elevator room tours and escalator videos in this moment of time. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy my story time part 10 about Ms. Vasso that was trying to get mad at me and really upset at me, and it really hurts my feelings. Anyways, that's it.